Okay guys, we have good news. We have booked a flight. The only downside is that it will leave in just like 2 weeks. Good morning. It is time for our breakfast here at this resort. Thank you. Beef soup. Ooh. There are a lot of options. For the last few hours we have been looking for our flights back because our flight has been cancelled. We had a flight from Manila to Kuwait, but as you know, because of the war in the Middle East, this flight has been cancelled. And now we have two options. Option one is that we will wait and wait until it's safe again to fly back to Kuwait, but that can take a few weeks, few months, maybe longer, we don't know. So I think option 2 is better, and option 2 is that we will take a flight back to Bangkok, and from Bangkok we will take a direct flight to Amsterdam, but the prices in the next coming weeks are like 2,000 or 3,000 euros, even 4,000 euros per person. It's crazy expensive. So I think we have to go to Bangkok and wait there for maybe 2 or 3 weeks, something like that, and find a flight back home for like 1,000 euros or something. It's crazy. So we've been checking that for the last few hours, and the weather is great today, so we will probably have a chill day at the pool or maybe the beach right here. So we chilled at the swimming pool for a bit, and now we have lunch. Some very cheap instant noodles, beef flavor. Only like 35 pesos. Yeah. Okay guys, we have good news. We have booked a flight. The only downside is that it will leave in just like 2 weeks. We will leave on April 1st, which is another 2 weeks, and we will need to book another flight to Bangkok because it will leave from Bangkok via Hong Kong to Amsterdam. So we have another 2 weeks of holiday in Thailand, which is actually nice, but I'm a freelancer, so there's no money coming in for like 5 weeks, and there are costs going out, so make sure to subscribe because we need some followers and some money. Okay guys, thank you. And tomorrow morning we will leave Cebu and fly back to Manila. We're gonna eat here. It's a little bit cheaper because this area is very touristic. Okay, I saw this beautiful thing on the on the menu, and I thought it was something like ice cream, but this is like taking a shot. We got 1.5 liters of alcohol. Whoops. And we also got our food and some buffalo wings. And this alcohol. I'm gonna be so drunk tonight. Okay, so we only drank like 1/3 of the very big alcohol bottle. It was so much. I mean, it's a little bit weird that they don't say it's alcohol, because I thought it was something like iced tea or something. It was next to a can with iced tea. And now we are gonna buy something at the store. Yeah, watch out for the cars because you're drunk now. They can have a party tonight after work. The store is huge. Look at this. It's huge. And I saw this. We just got back from the store and we bought these things. And also this ice cream. I really love ice cream with ube queso. This is cheese, I think. And some water. And this all costed 300 pesos, which is €4.50. So it's really cheap for all this. I mean, only in the Netherlands this would already be like €7, 6-7 euros. Oh, this looks really good. Okay, let's try the cheese. I never ate cheese ice cream before. It's good.
What?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
It tastes like cheese.
Not really. Where does it taste like?
It tastes like condensed cheese with a little bit of kokos, right?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a piece of cheese. It is good though. It is good.
Oh, it's okay. It's ube ice cream.
Ube ice cream. That's nice. It looks real purple.
Ube is milk with rice, right? Or with potato.
I believe it is coconut, rice and vanilla mixed. It looks really sweet, but it is not sweet.
No.
It's a soft flavor. It's nice. Okay, I am using ChatGPT right now to look for a cheap hotel in the area Cha Am in Thailand. It is at the same level as Pattaya, different side of Thailand, because we want to stay somewhere for the next 2 weeks, which is a little bit cheaper, not too expensive, where we can have cheaper food as well, maybe do some fun things in the area, but mostly chill. And we have to stay a little bit close to Bangkok because our flight will leave from there, and we don't want to spend too much because we already spent a little bit too much on the last 3 weeks, so we have to save a little bit. So I'm asking ChatGPT right now, and we also want to stay in the area of the beach and not too expensive, like 20 euros a night. And I need a gym in the area because I will not go 5 weeks without gym. It's already 3 weeks, so I need to stay fit a little bit. I'm a little bit tired because I searched the internet for like 4 hours today, something like that, quite long. So I'm eating some brownies and cookies, some brookies. They were really good. And I got some Mountain Dew Zero and Harry Potter. So a little bit of chill time, but we gotta sleep not too late today because tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning we will fly to Manila. So we will leave this hotel at 5 AM. It's really early, so we have to sleep a little bit early today. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We need your support. We need to earn money with YouTube so we can do this every day. And the flight was really expensive, so please support us. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.